y'all see him take off before me. I catch up to him. If he misses third, then that's his fault. That's not my fault. Get an automatic if you don't want to be losing races like that, you know. But
what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cam. I'm back at it again with another video, reaction video. Hey, I appreciate y'all tuning in on the last video and showing love. Shout out to my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Let's get y'all boy up there. We're gonna keep dropping dishing out videos. Like, subscribe, share the video. That's all I ask for. Now we got a video right here of this guy have a Hellcat engine in his RT, but it looks like he's having problems. Let's see what he's doing.
what's up, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video. I wasn't gonna record
too, my
today,
guy.
but I was like, why not? You know.
Hey, bro, you see that? Get that fixed, man. Come on, bro. Take yourself. Go to CVS, Walmart, your local gas station. Get that key fob fixed, my guy. I see that. Come on now. I'm pointing out every issue I see on people's vehicles.
But as of right now, bruh, shit, look at that Cadillac V2. I think. I'm not sure, but
Got in square already.
We're going to full-blown performance just because I'm gonna try to see if they could figure out this fuel pump problem that I have. I was supposed to take it to some dude in Victorville that my tuner recommended me to, but he lagged it today. He said he was supposed to do it Monday, which is today, and he never replied. I was blowing him up and he never replied. And I had to text my tuner because my tuner knows him. So basically my tuner connected me to him. So I told my tuner, can you give him a call?
66,000 miles on you. Got fuel pump
am I
issues?
able to go or what? And
I'm wrong. It's like
my tuner to tell me
what's
to
going
just
on
go
with the
Friday because he has a lot of work. So yeah, man, I don't know. So I'm gonna go to full blown and see what they tell me, see if they can. If they can,
put your
see if
seatbelt on.
they could give me like options to do, bro. Because at this point, I mean, my only option is to get a fuel tank from like a 2020 or 2019, swap mine out and put that one in, and from there I could like put the 525 fuel pump, if not the DW400 fuel pump. But yeah, man, I don't know. As of right now, we're just gonna get to full blown and see what's up.
Hey, okay. I like it. That was clean. That's clean right there.
Damn, it's just like strong ass ski. Alright,
y'all. Nice color on that track.
He gave us a whole breakdown of what we had to get or whatever, and they can make it happen. Alright, so basically what they told me is that there is no solution out there for the 21 Dodgecharger that has the different fuel pumps. So what they do is they just like do their own little, what you want to say, they do their little thing to make it work, you know. They can make it work. They've done it to like 3 other RTs with the same problem. So what they do is I have to order this 4 Innovation dual pump kit from either 797 or 4 Innovation themselves, and I have to buy from AutoZone like this secondary fuel pump, I think that's what it's called, for they could drill into it, block off the evac holes or something like that, and like basically make it work. So I'm gonna have to do that. This other guy, I'm gonna have to like, you know, call him off or whatever, just cause I don't know if he thought it was, he told me to buy this fuel pump with installation kit, but on the RT fuel pumps, you can't take out the fuel pump that's currently in there. So yeah, now.
And that sucks. That's the only thing about like, man, where you like, when you're working on your own car, you're swapping out engines and you gotta switch out so much other stuff, bro. I mean, it just comes with it. Like, I get it. I get it. I'm just even my opinion on it. Like, it comes with it. You gotta upgrade this, upgrade that. Like, man, this is a hassle, bro. But dang, it's dope that like you got that engine in it. Though. It's fire.
And it's gonna take even longer because oh my god, bro, it's a stress with this damn
Hey,
fuel
Ben,
system
bro,
for this
you
car.
made it here already.
You don't
Just
understand.
do it.
Like if I would have.
I don't.
But it is what it is. At the end of the day, we're just gonna order that kit. I'm gonna try to sell. Well, now I'm selling the 525 Hellcat fuel pump with the installation kit. If anybody wants it, DM me. I could ship it out to y'all if y'all want to ship out, but y'all are gonna have to pay the shipping price. I always do that. So yeah, let me know if y'all want that. Yeah, man. But anyways, right now we're gonna go eat just because we haven't ate at all.
Bro, that's tough. Busy. Thing sounds mean. Oh yes. Okay.
Yeah, motherfucker, y'all win. I need to check it out though, cause
I would love to go this route if I would have had an RC. I would love to go this route.
I don't know if it's because of right here. I don't have like a little cap.
I don't have
broken, so you can
the knowledge, the time,
or because I'm making
money
fuel up here
to do what you did. It's clean though.
I don't smell nothing right here. I mean, I did top it.
This is dope. You can just brag about, yeah, I got RT. I
did top it off earlier because I thought I was going to Victorville, but yeah, that could be the reason why it smells. I mean, it's not leaking nowhere. I'm pretty sure I would have seen like something dripping or something, but I don't see nothing, like no leakage, no nothing. So it'll probably just be because it's like topped off and I don't have like no back seats, you know, and all that. But yeah, man, as y'all can see off the 40 row, this thing moves, bro. It moves. It might not look like it on camera, but yeah, bro, this thing moves.
Better with that engine.
Y'all was sitting in the car, y'all be like, damn, you know, for a 5.7, that's crazy. But I posted a video of this, me racing this 5.0. I don't know if y'all from Instagram, y'all seen it. I have posted me racing a 5.0 and I got a bunch of comments, like a hate comments. I don't know why.
Dang.
I don't know why I can't just get my respect.
Why the cars
it's a 5.7, bro. They're known to be slow, bro. And for a 5.7 to keep up with a 5.0, that should be like, I should get my respect for that, you know? Because not a lot of 5.7s out here are keeping up with these 5.0s, you get me? But I don't know, I got a lot of bash for it, saying that the guy let off, that the guy missed third. They're either telling me like, oh, no, race the boosted 5.0, so you're gonna get your shit tapped, you know? Like, just hate comments, like, I don't know, bro. I mean, it really don't matter to me. I don't let it get to my head, you know, because it's just people on the social media just talking, you know. I don't know. They just kept making excuses for the guy or for the 5.0.
Bro, that's crazy. Like, yo, I just don't get that.
We can run it back. Not on no, like,
I'm glad I'm at that age where I just don't give up. Like, I just don't care. I don't care.
Cool, you know, like, just
the same thing in my comments. I don't care.
You know, if he wins,
how
he wins
people
as
want
well. If I win, I win.
That's
I'm not
crazy,
saying
bro.
5.0s are slow. I
well,
just raced it and posted it, and people are like flipping the script, you know, saying that saying that 5.0s are slow, like this and that. Like, nah, bro. I just raced the 5.0, and you know, I took him. I mean, if he missed third, that's his fault. You know, it's a race. There shouldn't be no excuses. Like, y'all see him take off before me. I catch up to him. If he misses third, then that's his fault. That's not my fault. Get an automatic if you don't want to be losing races like that, you know. But I don't know, man.
Now you talking shit. I was backing you up. Now you talking shit. Now you talking shit, bro. But hey, like you said, get an automatic.
That was that. I also raced the Scat, as y'all seen, and I took the Scat like nothing. I don't know, bruh. I feel like I should get a little bit more respect because it's a 5.7, and I came a long way on building it, but you know, these social media people, they want to bash on everything, so.
You got a fire setup.
I don't know,
I like it. I love it.
I might
Bill
cut the video here, depending. I'm not sure, but I'll keep y'all updated. Alright, we're back at it again, bruh.
Is the community like that?
Separated clips, you know, but we might have found a solution right now. I was talking to some guy that was partying out a Hellcat. No,
I don't want the white bash on me, man.
Because I already know, oh, it was a stolen Hellcat. No, it was not a stolen Hellcat. He was partying out his Hellcat. I guess he like crashed it or something. But I asked him, I was like, F it, why not? I asked him if he had the fuel tank still. He said yes. He said give me an offer. I was just messing around. I told him $200. He was like, I'll take it. And I was like, sheesh. So we're gonna go pick it up right now. It's a fuel tank off a Hellcat. It has the fuel pumps, both of them on both sides, secondary and primary. The only thing is that the hose in the back of the tank, I guess they like ripped it off or like it ripped or something. So hopefully the one on our tank, on the RT tank, fits that one. It should. I mean, it's coming off a charger, so everything should just be plug and play, you know. Hopefully this works. Crossing fingers, bro, because if not, it's $200 down the drain. I mean, it's not a bad deal. I would have copped one off eBay or like Mopar, and it would have cost me like $1,000.
These California shoes, what shoes are these, bro? Like,
so yeah, man, I'm gonna get there and I'm gonna let y'all know. All right, y'all.
Oh, he broke down.
All right,
I was about to say,
he's here. I don't know where, but he said he's looking for us. Well, yeah, man, we're gonna cop this. I don't know what to do anymore, bro. My tuner literally just hit me up saying that they made this new fuel pump, but we don't know if it's gonna work. But it's for the 2020s to 2023s. But I'ma just do the Hellcat tank first, bro, since I'm already here. And if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna try that pump. I don't know what to try anymore, but we ain't gonna give up, but we're gonna get this on the dyno.
George and Junior are fed up.
Hey,
they
bro,
weren't planning on having to replace their
well
brakes today, but they went to AutoZone.
Forward, you know what I'm saying?
Boom, so we made it back home. We got the gas tank, or fuel tank, my bad. Nah, same shit. But yes, we got it. I was looking at the gas tank, and that one has the same one as the current one that I have on here. But this is where you fill up, right here. And this is like the primary, that's the secondary. So as long as the primary doesn't have that evap hose that goes somewhere around here, we're good. So I'm gonna try to slap this on when I don't know, because I told him how hard was it to take it off. He said that he had to lower the suspension, obviously the exhaust, you know, but hopefully I don't have to lower the suspension, because he said you might not have to, but I don't know. We're gonna try to figure this out, man. If not, I'm gonna have someone install it for me. But yeah, man, we got the gas tank, and right now I'm gonna leave this for another video, but I'm gonna let y'all know right now that we are gonna go pick up some carbon fiber parts. For what? I'm not gonna tell y'all, but I'm gonna let y'all. I'm gonna put it out there on the next video for y'all to see.
Let them guess.
But yeah, we secured the fuel tank. We're gonna put it on. Hopefully, cross fingers. Oh my God, bruh. Hopefully this works, because finding a solution for this car and this fuel pump thing is such a pain in the ass, you know. But man, hopefully we get this. I know I did tell y'all that I was gonna run that kit that Full Blown Performance told me, but bro, that's like 4 bands, bro. 4 bands altogether. So I was
Yes.
like, I'm gonna try to see if I could do this first, and if this works, I'm gonna just run this. But if it doesn't work, then yeah, I'm gonna have to buy that damn for innovation and all that other stuff for them to do it. But we're gonna give this a try. I picked it up for 200 bucks, super cheap. There's nothing wrong with it, just that this hose, they did cut it because it was in the way. But I'm gonna just put on my stock one. It should be fine. It came off a charger, like I said, so we should be Gucci there. Yeah, man, I'm gonna probably take this off just to see if I could put on the 525 Hellcat fuel pump on there, and yeah, that should be it. I'll see y'all on the next banger, I guess.
That was fire. I've been following him for like about maybe like 2 weeks or a week now. So, but no, he got fired good, bro. That's like I said, like man, before I made my first video of talking about SWAT, I seen this guy and I knew he had a Hellcat SWAT engine, so that made me think like, dang, I want to do that same thing, but you know, I don't have the time and money. I'm keep it real. I ain't got it. I ain't got it, bro. But yo, dope build. I appreciate y'all checking in, clicking on this channel. Continue showing love. Continue pushing these videos. Continue liking, sharing. Do whatever y'all gotta do. Get your boy to the top. And I'm keep dishing out these videos. Y'all gonna love them. And I'm out. Keep chasing the dreams.